Hi everybody, good morning. Ako po si Panginoon Nakababawan. And ngayon, I want to invite you to join me sa aking day job, which is hospital. So by profession po, I am a medical physicist. Specifically, radiation oncology medical physicist. Bale, oncology is the treatment of cancer and radiation oncology is a treatment of cancer using radiation. Basically, quick way of explaining it. So, ayun po. So, everyday po, I encounter cancer patients na mag-undergo ng radiation therapy at ako po yung gumagawa ng radiation treatment plans. So, ayun. Join me po sa ating vlog. And here is the linear accelerator, my baby. So, ito po isang example. Patient namin na nasa loob ng linear accelerator bunker. We actually do monitor the patient from the outside. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-on ng radiation na nasa loob kami ng bunker kasama ng pasyente. Hindi pwede. Siyempre kasi radiation for the patient lang yun eh. We also protect the workers. Pero we monitor them via CCTV. So I'm gonna show you now how we do treatment planning for radiation therapy. Just gonna focus the camera sa computer. So for example, ito, breast cancer patient siya. Bali, itong red na to, yun yung titreat natin na tumor. Tapos naka-drawing din para makita namin ito yung lungs. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung heart, this one. So ito lang tumor na sa breast yung ititreat natin. Bali, for this particular case, we're gonna treat this with 3 fields. So dalawa sa gilid na tangential, penetrating po na beams. At isa sa harapan na less penetrating para mas spare yung heart, hindi matamaan yung heart. Again, iwan ko yung tumor. Ayan. So, isang field sa harapan na gilid, tapos isang field sa likuran na gilid. So, as you can see, iniwasan natin to the best of our ability yung lungs. Very minimal yung ma-receive niya. So, ayan. So, yung mas penetrating na beam dun sa part na hindi wala masyadong tatamaang organs, yung tumor lang talaga. Pero dito sa may taas, sa may bandang harapan, dahil may heart doon, tapos merong lungs, ayan, meron ding spinal cord, pag sobrang penetrating na medyo baba. So, medyo shallower or less penetrating na beam yung gagamitin. Or in this case, electron beam siya. So, ito na yung nagawa nating radiation treatment plan. Bale, ito siya. Ayun, tinatamaan ng radiation. Yun. So, yung may kulay lang. So, to the best of our ability, we computed a radiation plan na natamaan yung tumor na gustong tamaan ni Doc, but also very minimal yung matatamaan sa lungs and sa heart. So, na-spare natin yung lungs, tas yung heart hindi tinamaan din, and maximum yung nakuha ng tumor bed, which is yung sa may part ng breast. Ayan, so, my everyday life here. So, ongoing pa yung treatment, so I can't really show you yung mga nangyayari sa linear accelerator bunker pag may pasyente, pero, ayun, isa lang to sa mga ginagawa namin, basically as physicists. So today, syempre, wala naman tayong footage for quality assurance for the month of July kasi kakatapos lang din namin. Pero in the future, pag magka-quality assurance kami, sama ko kayo sa vlog. And, ayun, that's basically my life as a medical physicist. Away from the glitz and glam of entertainment world, ang day job ko po is I'm a hospital worker. So, ayun po. So, here tayo ngayon sa control room ng linear accelerator. Of course, I can show you the patient kasi may patient na tinitreat. Pero again, for privacy, we can show the face of the patient. Pero, just to show you na umiikot yung linear accelerator around the patient. Tapos, per gantry angle na kinumpute namin as physicists, dun pupunta yung linac. Yan, yung ikot niya. Tapos, mag-stop. Tapos, iti-treat namin. I-beam on namin. So, ayun po. Ganyan. Everyday life namin here sa Cancer Center Radiation Therapy Department. Ay, ito pa yung workmates ko. Hi, guys! Ay! Ay, hiya! Ay, na-shy sila. Pakayuwi. Ay, pota! Nahulag phone ko. Sige na lang, sir. Bye, sir. Uwi niya rin kayo. Sige po, bye-bye. So, nakauwi na po tayo na matiwasay. And, I want to introduce you to... Ano ba? Sorry na. Hulas na at the end of the day. I want to introduce you to my partner. to my partner in life po. I think first time niyo po siyang namimit. Ayan, ito po siya. Wala po. Yeah. Well, nagmamahal po po kayo mag-isa. Huwag niyo ako ginajudge. Charaz! So, ito po ay mga aircon boxes. Ayan, aircon boxes. Kasi kaka-install lang na aircon a few days ago. And, yeah. Sabi nila kasama daw, kailangan daw yung boxes for the replacement eh. So, ayun. Ito siya. Ito siya. Ayun siya. Ay, di ba ito naka-face track? Paano ba ito i-off? Basta ayun siya. Ayun. So, this is my crib. This is where I live. I'm still making ano eh. Sabihin ko. I'm still filling it up with furniture. Sobrang bare pa niya. Pero, ayun, naiipon. Unti-unti, magkakaroon din. At least meron akong aircon, at meron akong upuan, at meron akong electric fan, at ilang kaplatuhan, at microwave. Pero wala pang ka-furniture na iba. So, yung mga essential muna sa pagkain, at pag-upo, at comfort sa lamig. So, ayun. That's me. So, maybe in the future, na mapuno ko tong bahay ng furniture, masamahan nyo rin ako sa journey ko doon. So, unti-unti, we'll get there. Love you all. Bye-bye!